Today, I will teach you how to add transitions in Wondershare Filmora. First of all, open this Filmora. Double-click this media option. Select one video and import it. Now select the other video and also import that. The first video grab and drop on the timeline. Now select this second video and drop it on the timeline. Crop the first and second videos. It depends on your need. How much video part do you want? Click on this transition option. Here are many transitions. You can choose any one which you want. Select one transition, grab and drop this between of two videos. Let's play this video. Double-click this transition. This way the transition setting will be open. Use different transition setting. You can see this and choose a better transition for your video that you want. Let's play this video. So this was the way to use transitions in your video by using the Filmora. Hit subscribe and ask any question in the comment section below. See you in the next video.